Are you looking for a safe children's kids makeup kit for your girl or for your child to play with? Hierophant have prepared the kids makeup kit for a girl box with the various colors and tools for you, containing almost all the parts needed for makeup. Explore the endless pleasures of beauty with your little princess. This kit, makeup kit toys for girls, fulfills every dream of the little princess. In this kit, a kid's makeup kit is for girls 57 picks makeup set, including eyeshadows, eyebrows, blushes, blush wax, lip glosses, lipstick, and etc. And this is Christmas gifts for kids toys for 5+ year old girls. In this kids makeup kit for little girls set to use water soluble formula, no added preservatives, mild and non-irritating, no burden on the skin. Kids makeup kit toys for girls. The smooth, the exterior design makes it not easy to be damaged and protect children's soft hands. Easy to wash, not non-toxic, and meet the standards of international children's toys. And this is for birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, and Easter toys, for 5+ year old girls. You can check on the product in the description below if you want to get to know it more. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.